Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to हिमानी गोयल सोल स्टूडियो, माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हिमानी गोयल और आप सबका वंस अगेन बहुत प्यार से स्वागत है। आज हम देखेंगे वीकली टैरो हॉरोस्कोप फॉर द कमिंग वीक, दैट इज 17 मई से 23 मई 2026 तक कि यूनिवर्स आपके लिए क्या मैसेज लेकर आ रहे हैं। इस वीक कुछ ज़ोडिएक साइंस को क्लैरिटी मिल सकती है, कुछ लोगों की लाइफ में इमोशनल हीलिंग हो सकती है, कुछ के लिए करियर और रिलेशनशिप में इंपॉर्टेंट चेंजेस आ सकते हैं। अगर आप लेटली कंफ्यूज है, स्ट्रेस्ड हो या इमोशनली ड्रेन्ड फील कर रहे हो तो कार्ड्स के पास शायद आपके लिए एक इम्पोर्टेंट गाइडेंस है दिस वीक। तो अपनी फेवरेट चाय या कॉफी ले आइए एंड डीप ब्रेथ लीजिए और चलिए देखते हैं यूनिवर्स आपसे इस वीक क्या कहना चाहते हैं। और अगर आपको टैरो, एस्ट्रोलॉजी, स्पिरिचुअल गाइडेंस और कॉस्मिक एनर्जी वाले वीडियोस पसंद है तो प्लीज लाइक, सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन टू गेट वीडियो नोटिफिकेशंस ऑफ ऑल द न्यू वीडियोस व्हिच आई अपलोड। ऑल्सो शेयर कीजिए ये वीडियो अपने फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ और हमारी सोल फैमिली का पार्ट बनिए। ऑल्सो मैं टाइम स्टैम्प डाल दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में फॉर ईच ज़ोडिएक साइन, तो आप अपनी ज़ोडिएक साइन पर जंप डायरेक्टली कर सकते हो। मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स रहेंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, तो आप मुझे वहां फॉलो या रीच आउट कर सकते हो अगर पर्सनलाइज असिस्टेंस चाहिए। So now without wasting any time, let's begin our weekly tarot horoscope for 17th May to 23rd May 2026. So first zodiac sign है एरीज। चलिए देखते हैं एरीज के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है यूनिवर्स की तरफ से। ओके एरीज, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 8 ऑफ ऑटम का, विच मीन्स दिस वीक आपको बहुत रिसर्च करने की जरूरत है आगे बढ़ने के लिए। सो डू मोर रिसर्च बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग। ऑल्सो आप अपने स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स डालने के लिए एजुकेशन ले सकते हो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेमिनार्स, या आप स्कूल वापस जा सकते हो, आई मीन लर्निंग स्कूल आप वापस जा सकते हो, या आगे हायर एजुकेशन ले सकते हो। Also you need to have an excellent craftsmanship, I mean put lot of efforts to reach success in your life, and also you will be working on long term projects. So all the best Aries. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन पे चलते हैं, दैट इज टॉरस। लेट्स सी वृषभ राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है। ओके टॉरस, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 8 ऑफ विंटर का, विच मीन्स दिस वीक यू आर having too much of mental pressure or negativity in your mind, you are overthinking, so you have what it takes if only you believe in yourself. So it's like you need to believe in yourself. अगर आप यही सोचते रहोगे कि you have lack of self confidence, you are powerless, तो आप कुछ भी लाइफ में अचीव नहीं कर सकते। तो ये सब थॉट्स को चेंज करना है and make it more positive, have that soul have that self confidence, and you believe that you have power to achieve anything in life. You know, self-confidence will keep you from getting what you want actually. So keep moving, think positive. All the best, Taurus. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन पे चलते हैं, दैट इज जेमिनाई। मिथुन राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है। ओके सो जेमिनाई, फॉर यू द कार्ड इज द मैजिशियन, विच मीन्स यू हैव एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ टू अचीव सक्सेस. So take charge of your life and manifest what you need to achieve success. So you need to manifest the right thing to achieve success in life, as you have everything to work hard and achieve success. So take charge of your life this week, Gemini. All the best. Let us move ahead for the next zodiac sign, Cancer, कर्क राशि. Let's see. Okay. कैंसेरियंस, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है क्वीन ऑफ ऑटम, विच मीन्स दिस वीक यू आर वेरी प्रैक्टिकल एंड ग्रेशियस, एट द सेम टाइम यू आर वेरी स्टाइलिश ऑल्सो. सो बी प्रैक्टिकल विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हाउ यू प्रोसीड. सो डोंट बी कैरिड फॉरवर्ड विथ टू मच ऑफ इमोशंस. यू हैव टू बी प्रैक्टिकल विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हाउ यू प्रोसीड इन योर लाइफ, what are the challenges you are facing and how you can overcome them. So you have to focus on your career. You have the power to make everything beautiful. So वो है ना, that person who touch anything, it turned out to be gold. So that is what you have the ability. You can turn anything into gold with your touch. So you have the ability to make anything beautiful. This week you might be meeting someone who can help your dreams come true. It can be your friend, acquaintance, anybody who can help you to fulfill your dreams. So all the best, Cancer. Let us move ahead for Leo. सिंह राशि के लिए गाइडेंस देखते हैं. Okay. So Leo, for you the card is 7 of Spring, which means this week you need to be assertive. Also, don't back down from what you believe. So if you believe something, stick to it and don't back down. Courageous, stand up for yourself. This week you need to courageously stand up for yourself. If you believe this is right, you have to believe this is right and stand up for yourself. Be assertive. Don't back down for what you believe. So this is the guidance for you, Leo. That you need to be assertive. You need to believe that what you are thinking is right. Courageously stand up for yourself. All the best, Leo. Let us move ahead to the next zodiac sign, that is Virgo. Let's see Kanya Rashi वालों के लिए क्या guidance है. Okay. So Virgo, for you the card is Unity. So this week you might be joining spiritual minded community. Sometimes everybody need peace of life. So this week you might be joining spiritual minded community. Also you might be comparing traditional versus modern approaches to see what goes well with you. So sometimes people think and confuse what is best for us. So better to compare what suits you, what will reach you success. So it's not like now modern approaches are better or traditional was far better. What suits you is the best. So compare it and then choose the right option. That is what they are saying. Do the right thing for right reasons. So you have to do the right thing for the right reasons. That's why compare traditional versus modern approaches and see what works best for you, what gives you success. So all the best, Virgo. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन पे चलते हैं. दैट इज लिब्रा. तुला राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है? लेट मी पुल द कार्ड. ओके, सो लिब्रा, फॉर यू द कार्ड इज 5 of autumn, which means this week it's not the right week for career change. Stick to it wherever you are and don't rush out for career change. Also, this is the right week where you might be feeling challenged for money related issues. So don't feel shy. Set aside your ego and reach out to others for assistance. If you feel it, you need emergency to reach out to your goals. So it is always better to reach out others for assistance. So all the best, Libra. Let us move ahead to the next zodiac, Scorpio. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is 10 of Summer, which means this is the week where you will have emotionally fulfilling life with family and friends. You will be spending time with them. In career, it will be emotional and joyful week. People will support you. You can trust people. This week, whosoever you meet, you can trust them. Universe blessings are with you. Singles might get married or all married will plan for a baby. So, and also who already have children, they will raise children wisely. So overall, it's a joyful and emotional week for you, Scorpio. All the best. Chaliye, next zodiac, Sagittarians. Let's see the guidance. Okay. Sagittarians, for you the card I pulled out is King of Spring, which means this week you are very inspiring for others. You are very innovative and wise. So there might be financial windfall this week. Sagittarians, your FD might get matured. Your stuck money might come back, which you have lended to your friend or somebody who is not ready to return back. Now they will return your money back, or you might have, you know, some savings you have done which is matured, and you will get the money. Also, your leadership skills are required in your workplace, so make use of it. Inspire others through your leadership skills this week. Also, there might be some unexpected supporter will come to your cause. You might be running an NGO, or you might be doing some cause for which you might need a supporter, so that will come unexpectedly. So all the best, Sagittarians. Chaliye, next zodiac, Capricorn. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Capricorn, for you, very beautiful card, the Star, which means look to the future with hope and optimism. So this week you need to look at future hopefully and positively, or optimism. Look at the future with hope and optimism. You have the power to move mountains. So that is the power of faith which can move the mountains. So have faith, be hopeful and optimistic. Things will be in your favor. Universe, blessings are with you. Happy changes will bring relief from troubled times. So happy changes are coming in your life that will bring relief from challenging times. So make use of it. All the best, Capricorn. Chaliye, next zodiac sign, Aquarius. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so for Aquarius, we have 6 of summer, which means this week you might be reliving your childhood memories. You will be thinking how these events have happened. Remember, always think of wise. Always think of happy childhood memories and challenges. Learn as a lesson and move on. Don't remember worst situations or worst childhood memories. That will create more disharmony and sadness in your life. So remember good things. Also, you might meeting your ex or friend whom you have not met since long. So this week you might be meeting your old friends and having a quality time with them together. Also, it's the week of harmonious relationship, cooperation and happiness. So all the best, Aquarius. Now the last zodiac, Pisces. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Pisces, for you the card is the Moon, which means let go of unconscious worries which is causing you to stop ahead and move forward. You are holding something is holding you back. It can be worries or past traumas which is not letting you to move forward. But this is the time to learn from them and move on. Don't hold your past. Let go of them and understand the truth of the situation, how it happened, learn from it and move on. You have that intuitive power. Think of it, how it happened, learn and move on. Better days are coming. You have opportunities outside. If you open your doors, definitely you will see good opportunities. So all the best, Pisces. And thank you everyone for watching my weekly guidance. I hope you resonate with these guidance and plan your week happily. See you next week. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Cheers.